Miss Williams, and today we are going to be looking at how we turn a word into a plural. But what is a plural? A plural is when you take a singular word and you add one or more letters to create a word that means more than one. For example, when you hear the word tree, you know there is one tree. So the word tree is singular. However, if I say the word trees, you know there is more than one tree. So there could be 2 trees or 4 trees or even 15 trees. The word trees is plural. Did you notice what happened to the word tree? We added an S to show there is more than one, making it a plural. Shall we try to make some more words plural? Now it's your turn to try. See if you can guess what we need to do to turn the following singular words into plurals. How do you turn cat into a plural? Yep, you guessed it, just add an S. What about dog? It's the same, add an S and you have a plural. That wasn't too difficult, was it? We added an S to the singular words to make a plural. But sometimes we need to add an ES. And we're going to find out what kind of words add an ES in order to become plural. You'll need a pencil and some paper for this next bit, so put me on pause whilst you find them. So when do we add ES instead of S? We add ES to all the words that end in S, CH, SH, SS, X and Z. So the plural of box is boxes, and the plural of watch is watches. So what would that make the plural of dish? Yep, you guessed it, the plural of dish is dishes. A simple way of remembering this is that if a word ends with an S or a letter sounds like S, you will need to add an ES to make it plural. So the word bus is singular, but the word buses is a plural. Now it's your turn. Take a look at these words and write down what letters need to be added to turn them into plurals. The words are rabbit, torch, brush. Have a think and jot down the letters we need to add. The plural versions of these words are rabbits, torches, brushes. How did you do? Why don't you have a look around your house and make a list of words that you can make plural? Will you add an S or an ES? Happy exploring! For more help, challenges and games on this subject, visit BBC Bitesize.